Today we're going to show you how to program easy tach. On the CMX, you're going to notice there's a light right here. What we're going to do is we're going to hold down the brake. We're going to start the vehicle up. And now we're going to wait the longest 30 seconds of your life. And we're going to wait for this light to turn on. This is pretty much the untraditional way to program tach, but it comes in real handy when you're doing like a 3x lock setup and you don't actually have remotes to program our tach the traditional way. All we're doing is waiting for the CMX light to turn on. We're going to see one white flash when it programs tach. And there it is. Now we're going to show you how to do a traditional tach learn. Using the CMX, we're going to demo with the 900R remote. First thing we're going to do is start the vehicle up. Then, all we have to do is press and hold the brake and transmit the remote start button. And we're going to get one click of the light on the CMX. That means tach is now learned.